Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to do stock options, providing an easy guide to get you started. Stock options are fascinating financial instruments. Essentially, they are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset, like 100 shares of a company's stock, at a specific price by a certain date. Their value is derived from that underlying asset. Options trading can be used for speculating on future price movements or for hedging your existing investments. Let's dive into the two main types, call and put options. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a predetermined price by a specific date. You'd buy a call if you believe the stock's price is going to increase. Conversely, a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a set price by a specific date. You'd purchase a put if you expect the stock's price to decrease. Understanding these two is fundamental to options trading. To navigate options trading, you need to know some key terms. The strike price is the specific price at which you can buy or sell the underlying stock. The expiration date is the last day your option contract is valid. The premium is the price you pay to acquire the option contract itself. An option is considered in the money if exercising it would be immediately profitable, based on the stock's current market price versus the strike price. While options offer exciting opportunities, it's crucial to understand the risks. You could lose your entire investment, especially due to time decay, which reduces an option's value as it nears expiration. Many beginners start with a smaller amount, like $1,000 to $5,000, to learn without excessive risk. Always research diligently and fully understand the underlying stock and your chosen strategy. Options are powerful tools, but they demand careful consideration and a clear understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.